Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your TikTok account. Here's how to do it. Open your TikTok app, navigate to your profile, click on the three dots at the top right corner and go to settings and privacy. Now click on accounts. Click on deactivate or delete account. It will give you two options here. Deactivate account or delete account permanently. Choose the second one. It's going to ask you a reason why you want to delete your TikTok account. Just select any reason and click next. It's going to tell you that it's going to delete both your TikTok Studio account and your TikTok Lite account all together. Click on continue. It's going to recommend you to download your stuff before you delete your account. Click on by continuing. You review your data request, wish to continue deleting your account. Click on continue. Now this is the final stage. Your account will be deactivated for 30 days. It won't be visible to the public. So this is where you deactivate your account. When you delete your account, they actually keep it for some days in their servers so that you can always come back to reactivate it with some questions. So when you click on continue, your account will be deleted for good. So they're going to send an OTP to your WhatsApp. As you can see right here, I've received an OTP. So what you have to do is to copy this code and paste it here. When you click on delete account, your account will be deleted permanently. So that's how you delete your account on TikTok. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.